Alrighty, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews. We're here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2011 Arctic Fox 1140. Come on inside and we'll take a look. As you can see back here, you have a rear awning. Nice convenient access steps. And then right as you walk in, the nice thing about this unit is you have a dry bath with a fair amount of storage. And under here you have storage. Nice big drawer. This folds down into a bed. And over here, more storage with the slide out spice rack. More storage underneath. Nice dual door fridge. Microwave up here. Tons of countertop space. And then in here, sink cover. And up here you have your nice sized bed, storage on either side. Full storage on both walls here. Big enough to hang your clothes in. A TV for the bedroom. Then over here you have more countertop space. A bunch more storage in the back. Storage above. A 3-burner cooktop. And then a nice big basin storage below. And on either side. Back here below the awning you have your roof access ladder. A Cummins 2500 generator. Propane storage. Exterior storage, your battery compartment, exterior satellite ready with your outside shower, and then the nice power lift jacks. And again, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews. This is our used 2011 1140. If you have any questions or would like to come take a look at it, these used units don't last very long. Go ahead and give me a call at 541-731-8583.